So we got this situation to handle. So we have in equals 0 to 4 pi tan to the power nx dx. So we have to find out general formula for this thing. Okay. So look at this, how we will handle. You know that you have handled similar situation in indefinite integration, correct now, where you have taken in sine and cos one thing, and in remaining thing you have taken two things common. So here also we will apply the same logic. Okay, we will take two things common. So we have 0 to pi by 4 and then tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx. Okay, now this is, now we will convert, we will break down this tan square into 1 plus sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so tan power n minus 2x, and then we have sec square x minus 1. Okay, so we can write down this thing into, we can create two questions where we have tan power n minus 2x into sec square x dx. This is your first question. And then we have next question as minus of integration from, wait a moment, minus of integration from 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power n minus 2x dx. Now look at this, how we will handle. You know that you will take tan as z. Now do the differentiation. Dz by dx, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So sec square x dx will become what? Dz. Now you know that if you'll take anything as z, the limit will change. So if the lower limit is 0, so if tan is 0, x is 0, so tan will become 0, so z will become 0. Now if it is pi by 4, so tan pi by 4 is what? 1. Okay, and then we have minus of, look, this was in if the power of n was n, so this thing will become in. So this thing will become what? I of n minus 2. Now let's break down the first part. So its integration will become what? Integration will become z power n minus 2 plus 1 upon z power n minus 2 plus 1, and then we have 1, and then we have, wait, not the power, on denominator you will have directly n minus 2 plus 1, 0 minus in minus 2. Now if you put upper limit, this thing will become what? N minus 1. Denominator is also n minus 1. So if you will replace z with 1, so it will become 1 by n minus 1. And if you will replace minus lower limit, so this thing will become z. It will make everything else as 0. Okay, so this is the answer for the first part. And then we have I of n minus 2. So this is the formula for in. Okay, now based on this you can handle similar situations. Means if I'll give you question that I5 is integration from 0 to pi by 4 tan power 5x. So how will you respond? You will be writing, sir, I5 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1 is 4, and then minus I3, है ना? And if I'll ask you who is I3, again you will apply the same logic over here and you will get your things done. Okay, I hope you understand the concept, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.